Namaskar. So today I'm going to show you how to keep milk without refrigerator. I do not use fridge at all. So I just use old Indian technique and I'll show you how. I have turned up the gas and just see how this is all boiling up. So this is what you want. And once this happens, just up and turn off. That's it. Okay, so this is next morning and you can see there is some cream on top of it. You can take out the cream, make yogurt or eat it, or just but you have to move it aside like this and then heat up the milk again just like yesterday. So every day you will morning and evening just boil the milk. When it comes to boil, like first boil, then you turn off the gas, and that's pretty much it. And make sure that you remove this cream. You can eat it or make yogurt or whatever, and but otherwise the heat will get trapped and it will burst, and that is not good. So make sure that you like this, you just move the milk a little bit so heat won't get trapped and it won't burst. So